Hello everyone, the Disney Price here. Welcome back to another Camp America video. Today is going to be a packing video. It's going to be a long one. I have so much stuff. I didn't realise I had this much stuff. But anyway, it is now just over 2 weeks until I go to camp. It has come round so quickly. Do I feel ready? No. Yeah, we're just going to go with the flow. But today I'm going to go through everything I've bought so far for camp with estimate on prices. I'm scared to think how much money I've spent. Yeah, but let's just get into it. So, first of all, suitcase or packing in general. I bought this bag thinking it wasn't going to be that big, but it's huge. This is a vacuum bag. I will be using it to put as much as I can inside. It won't save on weight or anything. If anything, it adds weight to it. But it helps save physical space inside of the bag. That was $2.99 from B&M. Bargain. By the way, most of the stuff in this video is either from B&M, Primark or Tesco. And the reason why I choose Tesco is because I work there and I get a good discount. So I'm going to, again, do estimated prices. So that was $2.99 from B&M. I'm taking pillows. I have to take some pillows to camp. So that's going to be a really good way to compress them down. And you can use like a hoover to take all the air out, so no pumping. So I'm just hoping our camp has a hoover. They probably do. Moving on, suitcase. Moving this huge bag out of the way, I'll put it over here. Moving on to my suitcase I bought from Primark. I believe it was £32. This is like the medium size, like it's bigger than a cabin bag, but it's not the biggest one you can take because I'm always getting scared about, especially like my airline called Norse, worried about them telling me off for having too big of a bag. So I went for medium-sized bag. And yes, and then I treated myself today when I went shopping. I saw this American Tourister, good quality brand backpack to use while I'm at camp. And it's nice to put like a laptop in, good sort of straps. And then on the back, it's got one of these straps. So you can put it on your suitcase, so you can give your shoulders a bit of a rest. So yes, another good luggage thing there. Moving on to something that's new and I haven't even opened yet. Probably tell by the packaging. I bought myself some Crocs. They were in some sort of sale, so I bought them. I haven't tried them on, so I'm hoping I don't have to send them back. But I have tried on a similar pair of Crocs this size. So yes, I believe these were, this was £20 from Tesco plus my 10% discount. And the suitcase, did I say, was £32. Crocs, these were £23, free postage. So yeah, it will just be nice to have some Crocs to wear around my dorm, where we sleep. And then maybe if I'm just doing short trips outside. But I'm also going to be taking my flip-flops, which are upstairs. I didn't bother bringing them down because they're not new. Yeah, all of this is pretty much new stuff. This extension lead. I've seen quite a few people talk about taking an extension lead. This was £9 from B&M. I haven't tried. I probably ought to make sure it works before I do anything. Yeah, so this was £9 from B&M. Lots of people just say, in case you don't have an outlet or it's not close to your bed, or if you want to try and save on adapters, it's a really good idea to take an extension lead and use that. Then moving on, these. I did have 2 packs. Command hooks to put my flag, UK flag, up on the walls. And so it doesn't leave a mark, hoping they're allowed. These were from Tesco and they were on offer for like £2, I think, round about that, each for a pack of 3. So yeah, all good. What else have we got? Ibuprofen, Tesco's, 30p. Water bottle, Primark, £2.50. And I thought I might as well just get that so I can just use it. I know what you're going to be saying, get an insulated bottle. Yeah, that's on the shopping list of things to get. Or just find one that we've got and take that. Primark, bum bag, £10. So it would be good to just have some essential supplies in it. Maybe put your phone on the top there. But yeah, that's all right. What have we got? Currency. Tea bags. People love tea. I'm not going to be able to go without tea, and American tea is either really expensive or rubbish. So yes, I got that tea. Then I'm taking a bottle of Right Guard, a bottle of Head and Shoulders, and Palmolive body wash thing. That's not the usual brand I get, but it was the cheapest. And it smells quite nice. You can smell it when it's not even open. So yeah, that'll probably last me like a month and a bit maybe. And then I'll just buy some toiletries from Walmart, because toiletries are expensive, so I tried to like save wherever I could. Oh, and links on the special occasions, or I just want to put some on. Sun cream, Tesco owned sun cream. All the toiletries were from Tesco's, by the way. Sun cream, I actually didn't realise how expensive sun cream is. £4 that was from Tesco. Then I also got some little bottle of hand sanitizer and some hygiene wipes. What else have we got? Toothpaste. Toothpaste. What else have we got? And then we have from Primark. I actually got quite a few pair of these. They're these really like comfy. They are really comfy shorts. They're not like tight round you or anything. £12 each a pair. Good to be working in. They smell like tea where they've been in with the tea. So yeah, I got 2 pairs of them in light blue colour from Primark. So they are £12 each. What else have we got? Then I have these pair of shorts from Tesco. F&F. They are, no idea. I think, I honestly can't remember. But yeah, they're just like a different colour and different material, so I thought, why not? And then for days when I'm going out, I got some little chino shorts. They are £16 from Tesco, and they currently have, it's ending soon. They currently have 25% off on all F&F clothing, plus I get an extra 20% additional discount on top. So it works out almost like half price on everything. So now was the time to buy everything, and I did. And another pair of chino shorts, slightly different colour, also from Tesco, same price. Oh my god, I bought milk while I was out. I need to put that in the fridge. I'm actually going to do that now because it will get warm and manky. And another pair of those Primark shorts. Bear with me, I'm just going to put this milk back.
A few moments later.
Nice pair of pyjamas from Primark. £7? £7. Yeah. Just pyjama set with shorts, which I thought were needed. What else have we got here? Another pair of shorts. Primark again. Same price. Oh, this is the t-shirt that I bought. I had to I was digging through all of the t-shirts trying to find this because I saw like a poster of it and I thought I need that t-shirt. £3 Primark. Bargain. So, yeah. And the reason why I've been buying all these clothes from Primark and Tesco is don't expect to come out of camp with don't take nice clothes, expensive clothes to camp that you don't want to get ruined. Chances are they're going to get ruined. So, yeah. Socks from Primark. Everyone always complains about how you lose so many pairs of socks. So yeah, just trainer socks, got a pair of them. Tesco's was selling Umbro socks for quite cheap, and that included the 25% off. So that is £6 for 5 pairs of socks, plus all of the discounts, so that worked out all right. What else have we got? Another pair of Umbro socks from Tesco, same price. Afterbite, because I get bitten like hell, and being on a city near the coast, such as Boston, you're going to get bitten, especially if you're going swimming and stuff. So, good thing to take. Travel money, I've already got like $150. So today, I went to my local Tesco's, again, because I get a better rate as a colleague, and got another $100. Oh, the exchange rate I got as a Tesco colleague was, it doesn't say. £1 was the same as $1.19. Oh, I got about 1.19 or something like that. She said I got 1.19, and I just went with it. But for small amounts like $100, it doesn't really matter what the exchange rate is. Like at the end result will be like at the most like a £1 or £2 difference at the absolute most. So if you're only getting a small amount, don't worry about like ordering it online or like who to go with. Yes, it might save you like a tiny bit of money, but it only really like matters when you're like getting hundreds and hundreds of dollars or like thousands. So yeah, so that's $100 plus the money I've already got upstairs. Is that it? No, of course it's not. How I'm going to pack all of this, I don't know. I do know, actually. Vacuum bag. What we got? We have... This might be a complete waste of money. I have no idea. Primark, £1.50 sunglasses to use at camp. I probably look absolutely ridiculous. But I've got a nice pair of Ray-Bans. And I don't want them to get broken whilst at camp. So, bought them. Then I also bought a notepad from Primark, £1.50, just to write some stuff down if I want, and then, yeah. What have we got? Umbrella, Primark, £4, needed, because it might rain. So, yeah, and I've got, oh my God, £4, did I say? I don't know. Let me check the receipt, because I thought I got charged something different for it. Yeah, the tag said £4, and they only charged me £2. Not complaining there. So nice little mini umbrella. How you get it up, I have no idea. I'm not going to do it. Yeah, okay. I found out how to do it without opening it, so... I can't get it back down now. So yeah, bargain, £2. It will do. And again, if this stuff breaks, I'm not going to be heartbroken. Luggage scales, because I'm flying with Norse and I'm scared that if my baggage goes over, they'll charge you £100. True story, I've heard of people saying that. I just bought £5 luggage scale, and I've got more inside of the suitcase, bear with me. Last few bits I've got for now, but I know I'll end up buying more. I have... And then, because we're staying in like a really nice dorm, I just thought, take some stuff with me to save me getting sort of homesick. So, Leicester City Football Club is my team. So, I've got that to just hang up somewhere. Then I've got a nice Land Rover cap to be wearing, because it is going to be hot and sunny, and yeah. So, I've got that to take. Then, adapter-wise, I bought this. So it's got the American plug. And then on the other side, you've got British plug. They're USB-C, which is what I use to charge my phone. And then 3 normal USB so I can charge like my Apple Watch and stuff, all out of the same plug. Good quality sort of plug. I've only got one of them, and then I can just take like basic adapters if I need them. Photo frames. I have 3 photo frames to take just to put round my room, so it'd be nice to look at when I'm not working. Padlock. Not going to use these for when I'm actually like traveling, because they're not TSA approved, and they'll end up like breaking your bag to get into it if you use one of these. I'm just going to use it so when I'm at camp, even though I trust the people that I'm sharing my dorm with, you never know what can happen, so I'll just padlock my suitcase shut. And last but not least, this. It's huge. UK flag to put up in my room with my command hooks. Yeah, so that would be nice. And the 2 people that I'm sharing with are also British, so I don't know if they've bought their own flag or what. So yeah, that is everything, pretty much everything that I've got so far. Love my new little Crocs that I got. I might start wearing them before camp. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. This has turned out to be a very long video. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye.